Egg fried rice. You will need 1 packet of cooked rice or 100 grams of rice cooked in boiling water for 20 minutes and then rinsed in cold water, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 spring onions, 1 garlic clove, 1 teaspoon of chilli flakes, soya sauce, 1 tin of mixed veg, 1 beaten egg, optional. Chop the ends off the spring onion and peel off the outer layer. Thinly slice. Chop the green ends to use as garnish. Heat the oil in a frying pan. Fry the garlic. Add the onion and stir regularly. Add the spices. Add the rice. Stir regularly. Crumble in a stock cube and stir. Add the veg. Make a well in the centre and pour in the egg. Keep stirring it until it resembles scrambled egg. Distribute evenly throughout the rice. Stir everything together. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and cook for a few minutes. Serve with soya sauce and enjoy.